Hi, how are you? I'm good. As you know, behind my back is something changed because I moved my desk. Actually, it was right here, but I turned my desk like this. So that's why the view of this video is quite changed. As you know, I used to sleep upstairs because I'm living in studio apartment with stairs, so I can go up there. There is a room there which I can sleep, but I decided to move my bed from upstairs to downstairs. So to put my bed, I decided to move this desk to make space. So yesterday I did. So I slept on this first floor. I think it was quite a right decision because while I'm sleeping, my neighborhood who is living in the up, like uh, I'm living in 8th floor, but ninth floor who is living there. The neighborhood, he or she usually turn the washing machine at the night and making some sounds. I think he or she is doing working out at the night. Can you imagine? I, I can't do it. Maybe he's quite a gym rat, or he love to doing exercise as home training or something. So usually he make the sounds which is really noisy. It's really hard to get sleep. So that's why I decided to move this first floor to sleep here. I think it works because from there to here there is some distance. So the sounds is much more, the noise is less than before, so I could sleep properly. So let's wrap it up this video. I moved my bed from upstairs to downstairs because of noisy, which is made by my neighbor's who is living upstairs on 8th floor, but it's quite good. I'm quite satisfied with that, so I'm good. Okay, now I'm gonna next see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.